Hello friends, it's Miss Dom. Today we are going to draw and design a t-shirt. Up above me, you'll see two examples of t-shirts. One of them says, "Knowledge is power," and it has pictures of scientists that maybe you recognize. Next to that is a book-themed t-shirt. It says, "Read." And you can see there's some characters you might recognize from some of the books that you read. So the first thing that we're going to do is draw the t-shirt. So you're going to need a piece of paper. So I have a picture of a rectangle there. We're going to imagine that's my piece of paper. But you're going to want to get out a piece of paper. And today we're going to draw the t-shirt and then design what's going to be on the t-shirt. And you don't have to copy the pictures that I put up there. They're just for ideas, to give you an idea of different themes. And then next week, we're going to draw who's wearing the t-shirt. I think it would be fun if we did a teddy bear. But we're not going to do that part today. Today we're just focused on the t-shirt. So when you look at the t-shirt, you'll notice that you have some shapes. I always like to break down whatever I'm drawing into shapes. So you can see the shape that I'm tracing looks like a square or a rectangle shape. Okay, so we're going to have one large rectangle and then two smaller rectangles that are overlapping. So let's do that. Let's make sure we put that t-shirt right in the middle of our paper. We're going to draw a large rectangle and then two smaller rectangles. Notice how I'm overlapping those smaller rectangles, and the smaller rectangles are not standing up, they're tilted. Okay? And so we're going to draw something that kind of looks like that. After you do that, we're going to need to do some erasing. So I hope you used a pencil. We're going to erase out this part, and we're going to erase out this part. So where those smaller rectangles overlapped, we need to sort of erase it so it looks like one big shape. Now, you'll also notice there's a curving shape. All right, so I am going to get my pen, and again, you probably want to use a pencil because we're going to have to do some erasing again. And I'm going to make a curving shape here, and then I'm going to just add a little curve here to connect it. And that's starting to look like a t-shirt now. But again, I'm going to have to erase the top part of that rectangle that I started with. And it's going to look something like that. Okay, so once again, I'm going to use my laser tool. We started with a rectangle shape. We added two more rectangle shapes. Then we added a curving shape and curved those shoulders a little bit to create our t-shirt. Now, the next part is where you get to be creative and use your imagination and think about the things that you like. And if you were designing a t-shirt, and there's people out there, that's their whole job, is to design the t-shirts that you buy in the store. What would be on your t-shirt? Would it be an animal? Would it be a team, a TV show, or a character from a story or a movie? Would it have to do with nature? Some people buy t-shirts from places that they visit. Some t-shirts have flowers on them or trees. So again, this part's totally up to you. Maybe it's outer space or a rocket to the moon or a car or a train or a dinosaur. So you need to think about sort of what you would like to have on your t-shirt. I'm going to make a big flower on my t-shirt. And I'm going to give my flower a happy face. But again, your t-shirt does not have to look like this. So you don't have to do what I'm doing now. The only part you needed to do that was the same as me is drawing the shape of the t-shirt. And then of course you'll need to color it in. So I'm going to go ahead and start coloring mine in. And you can of course color yours in as well when you're finished drawing. And you don't have to be finished drawing. So you can go ahead and work on this after this video is over. If you'd like, you do not have to do it right away. Let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and add some yellow here and then some blue. All right, so take your time coloring in whatever design you want. You can add a pattern. Some people like to wear t-shirts with words. You'll notice that the examples I showed you have words, but they also have a picture. So you can include some words, but since it's art, it should definitely have an image or a picture of something in there as well. And mine doesn't have any words. I don't think I really need words for mine. So hold on to that t-shirt because the next time we meet, we're going to add to this picture. So today we're drawing the t-shirt, designing the t-shirt, and coloring it in. And then we're going to save it for next time. So continue and finish that t-shirt. I hope you have fun, and I'll see you next time. Bye.